If you're looking for a new way to do chicken, we have the recipe for you. Every casserole in the South has Ritz Crackers.
So today, we're making a chicken casserole with
Ritz Crackers.
So come on in. So I had some leftover rotisserie chicken here. So I've got in the bowl
2 cups of shredded cooked chicken. So already I know this is going to be good because it's got chicken in it.
And you can use any leftover chicken or canned chicken you got. Plus
1 can of cream of chicken soup.
And this is so easy to make.
Yes, make sure you get all that out of the can.
I'm working on it. And then we've got some sour cream.
I put that on about everything.
Just a cup. I love sour cream. Makes everything better. And I'm just going to mix that together. And you just want to make sure that's mixed really well. Make it nice and creamy.
And 1/2 cup of finely diced sweet onions.
Oh yeah, gotta have the sweet onions.
Steve always liked the Valdelia onions.
Oh yeah.
These are sweet onions.
Now I'm gonna mix that in here. Get that all combined. And then
1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
And I'm going to mix that seasoning in the bowl here. Make sure it's completely combined.
You could use this stuff right here for doing chip and dip.
Oh, I know. Break out those Ritz Crackers and just start scooping out of the bowl. That looks so good. It smells good too. So then I've got a baking dish that we have pre-greased.
8 by 10 baking dish.
And I've got my thawed out tater tots. And I'm just going to line the bottom of the dish with this. And make sure they're just kind of level. My little dish is rattling around here.
I like these dishes right here. They about the right size for a small family.
Mm-hmm.
You know how we are. We could eat the whole bowl.
I know we could. So I'm just going to layer this in here gently. And we're going to gently spread that around until it's even. Get all that out of there. And then the butter crackers, Ritz.
Now we're going to add 1 sleeve of crushed Ritz crackers.
Love Ritz. They're so good. Every time I add Ritz to something, my husband's like, yay! So then I've got
8 tablespoons of melted butter.
And we're just going to drizzle that right on top and do it as evenly as possible.
Everything is better with butter.
Everything's better with butter, no doubt. And then, once we get that on there, I'm going to take some more of those thawed out tater tots and I'm just going to line them around the edge here.
All around the edges of the dish.
All the way around. And just...
That makes it look really cute.
It does, doesn't it? Gives us some character.
The oven is preheated to 375 degrees.
And we're going to put this in there for about 35 to 40 minutes until it's golden brown. Oh,
Look at it now.
I know. Look at that. It's been in there for 40 minutes.
Look at it now after you have taken it out.
I know.
Dish some of this up. I'm ready for it. But this,
I know.
I cannot wait. You know me, I like to eat.
Me too. Yum.
Awesome.
Yeah, this is a whole meal. Yeah, it's got some veggies.
This is a beautiful plate. As Steve would say, is this the best?
Chicken Ritz Casserole?
If it ain't, it ought to be.
We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red.
Well, that's She and Jen, them 2 girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.